Today, we're going to learn about the letter R. Shall we practice writing the letter R first?
How?
Please get your paper and crayons ready. Write it down slowly. Uppercase R. Rabbit. Let's write it 4 more times in the correct order.
Alphabet is fun for you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
R.
Let's all sing the ABC. H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
R.
Now let's try it once again. O, P, Q, R, S,
R.
T, U. Don't stop now, we're almost through. V, N,
Uppercase
W,
R.
X, Y, Z.
Good job. Now let's practice writing the lowercase r.
Sing along, just you and me.
Lowercase r. Rainbow. R is for rainbow. Let's write it 4 more times in the correct order. R.
A, B, C, D, E,
R.
F, G. Sing the letters 1, 2, 3.
R.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing them
Lowercase
all
r.
again and again.
Good job.
P, Q, R, S, T,
A rabbit is playing in the field. Rain clouds cover the sky, and then it rains. R is for rain. The rain clouds pass by, and the sun appears. After the rain stops and the sun comes out, a 7-colored rainbow appears. The rabbit is happily playing again. It's a 7-colored rainbow. Let's write and find the letters in the rainbow word using red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple crayons.
C is for cave, dark and deep. D is for dragon, no time to sleep. We are
R. Let's find the R.
ready for the grand adventure. Hunting
Found
letters
it.
side by side from A to Z. Let's take the ride.
R.
E is for eagle, flying high. F is for forest,
A.
touch the sky.
Where's
G
the
is for
A?
gold, what a surprise. H
Here
is
it
for helmet,
is.
safety's wise. We are the ABC
A.
Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by
I.
side from A to
Find
Z.
the
Let's
I.
take the ride.
Found it.
I is for island in the sea.
I.
J is for jungle, wild and free. K is for key to open the way. L is for lion, guides the royal
N.
way. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for
Here's the N.
adventure. Hunting letters side by side from A to Z.
N.
Let's take the ride. M is for
B.
mountain, tall and
Find the
wide.
B.
N is for night with stars as guide. O
That's
is for
right.
octopus waving hello. P is for pirate ready to go. We are
B.
the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters
O.
side by side
Where's
from
the
A to
O?
Z. Let's take the ride.
Found it.
Q is for quest
O.
never ends. R is for rainbow bending in bends. S is for starship to outer space.
W.
T is for telescope, let's find a place. We are the ABC
Here's the W.
Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters
W.
side by side.
Rainbow.
Let's take the
R
ride.
is for rainbow. Let's color the rabbit picture. We'll color it with orange, light orange, and brown crayons.
W is wind.
First, let's color the rabbit's face and body with light orange.
We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side from A to Z. Let's take the ride. A is for Yeti, snowy and cool. Z is for Zoom, we finished school. We found each letter on the way. Now we're alphabet heroes. 'Cause 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 'c
Then let's color the inside of the rabbit's ears and its tail with the orange crayon.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N. Now let's try it once again. O-P-Q-R-S-T-U. Don't stop.
And we're done by coloring the nose brown. Good job! The alphabet letters are scattered around. Can you find the letter R? That's right!
R.
Let's trace the letter R by following the dotted lines.
R.
Good job!